Hello everyone, this is JS Mithun from Srinivas Institute of Technology, Kolachil, and my branch is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Here my topic is steam electricity generator. The steam electricity generator is a generator in which the electric generated is steam driven. Water is heated and turns into steam, and force produced by steam pressure to push a piston back and forth inside a cylinder. This pushing force can be transformed by a connecting rod and a flywheel into a rotational force. And flywheel is already attached to the generator. Then the flywheel is rotates. Then there will be an EMF is produced. And here is advantages: get high electricity, fuel used is cheaper, low maintenance, and it's pollution free. Disadvantages: more fuel is required and it takes times to produce the steam, and it requires a more space. And here is the prototype, and from burner we are giving the heat, and here steam is produced from nozzle. It travels through nozzle and it will comes to the piston, and from piston it will goes to flywheel, and flywheel starts to rotate. And here to the generator is connected to the flywheel, and it converts EMF to the electricity. Thank you.